hurricane gets its energy from the warm, moist air at the ocean's surface. As this air ascends to form clouds, more air is drawn into the hurricane. Winds spiral inward, and we begin to see the familiar shape of a hurricane.
The luxury we have with these new satellites and their new capabilities and their accuracy is that to get people out of the way when we know it's going to hit is a serious advantage that these satellites are providing us.
Every time there's a hurricane, I know that GOES is there, and it's helping protect lives.
At least 75,000 fishing vessels returned to port. On the tropical resort island of Hainan, as many as 200,000 people have been evacuated from low-lying areas. Another 150,000 from the southeastern coastal province of Fujian have also been evacuated.
One of the first things you can do is obviously get your family in a safe place. Don't risk going back into a home that's been damaged.
The best thing to do is to listen and heed the advice of local authorities.
When something like this happens, that could be devastating. But I think the most important thing to remember is it's just property. It doesn't replace a life. You can always rebuild.
The strength of the tropical systems, we have what is referred to as the Saffir-Simpson tropical cyclone intensity categories, and they run from 1 to 5. You can see the wind speeds according to each category have been posted. I'm going to get out of the way. Not listed here is also the associated storm surge, which occurs with some of these particular categories. Now,